Can you really make $700 per day after setting up this powerful MEV arbitrage trading bot? I've personally put it to the test, and in this video I'm going to share with you my results. ChatGPT trading bots are real, and they do exist. You can definitely make money in the financial markets using crypto and forex trading bots that automatically open and close trades on your behalf, basically stuffing your bank accounts with hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day. That's only though if you have the right bot. Welcome to my channel, Mr. Wealth Answer here, and on this channel I like to explore alternative ways to make money online, including real estate, trading, crypto, investing, and more. If you are looking for a viable way to make passive income online, then check out our mastermind group that is using trading partnerships to create consistent 15 or more % per month in passive returns. The link is in the description below. So this video was posted a few weeks ago, and it's gained a lot of momentum. I was there browsing YouTube, watching some trading tutorials, eating some popcorn, when I saw this pop up on my timeline. Now it looked interesting to me, and it really did pique my interest. Basically, it's a video that shows a step-by-step tutorial on making money with ChatGPT and an AI-powered trading bot. The creator goes on to share his motivation for wanting more freedom in his life and not following the traditional path of education and employment. This video also shows how his trading bot uses artificial intelligence to identify and exploit arbitrage opportunities in cryptocurrency transactions. The bot sniffs out pending transaction and injects their own transaction with a higher gas fee to ensure it is processed first. By sandwiching transactions through others, the creator profits from the slippage difference. The creator then emphasizes that no prior experience is needed to use the bot, as the script is generated entirely by ChatGPT. Viewers are then guided through the installation process, starting from how to install the MetaMask browser extension to how to use the Remix Web3 application for development and deployment. Now, if all this sounds confusing to you, don't be. In a nutshell, all it means is that the bot will pay higher gas fees to skip the line and process a pending transaction on the blockchain first, buying at a lower price than selling it back to the person in line at a higher price, keeping the difference. In his demonstration, he shows how he's able to earn 35% in the first 12 hours and then 41% in the subsequent 12 hours after deploying the bot, earning him approximately $700 per day or 2 to 5 Ethereum per week. Now, in the comments section underneath his video does show testimonials of others using the bot and their positive experience. However, looking at the comments, you would actually believe that this bot truly works, as it appears that real people are responding and are making money. Like I said, I personally tried the bot myself, and I shared it with my private mastermind group only to find the following. After connecting my MetaMask, setting up the bot as directed, and running the script, here are my results. I followed his instructions to the T. First, downloaded my MetaMask extension and put $100 in my MetaMask account to create the contract. In doing so, I was charged $43 to connect my MetaMask wallet to create my contract address. I put the balance of $67 into my new contract address to test the bot to see if it will work. I clicked the start button as directed, and this happened. Nothing. The balance of my wallet said 0. And when I looked at the history, I saw that no trades were placed and that my funds were gone. Initially, I thought it might have been because of the gas fees or a lot of the fees to do the transaction. However, that was not the case. Yes, guys, the funds was redirected to a fake phishing crypto wallet. The bot is redirecting the funds from the contract address that you create straight to a fake phishing wallet. And it's clever because at first glance, you can see the code, but if you look closer, you'll see that the code is split up into 4 pieces throughout the code, so you will actually never suspect a thing. In other words, it's a phishing scam. Now, what saved me was this. I was actually going to put in at least 0.3 Ethereum, but I thought about it and it occurred to me that it would actually be wiser to minimize my risk and try this with a group of friends. We all will contribute a very small minute amount just to test it and see the results. If the results are as advertised, we will then contribute more or pretty much have the bot grow our capital for us until we all earn 1 Ethereum separately. However, I realized that when I opened up a new browser, the new deployed contract becomes unavailable, so I can't start the bot or withdraw funds from the smart contract. This delay allowed one of my other colleagues to catch the scam. And when we looked at it in detail, I started to realize that there were way too many red flags. But the icing on the cake was what we found in the transaction history. So here are all the red flags. Number 1, the video itself is AI generated. At first glance, it seems real and legit, but when you slow down the video and pay real close attention, you will see that the arms are really digital, the mouth movement when he speaks is not natural, and it does look like it's computer generated. The speech is way too fast, and it's not corresponding with the movement of his mouth. Not only is his speech too fast, so is his arm movements. Now, AI is great, but we need to be careful and more attentive now because this technology is getting really good. Number 2, the audio during the tutorial seemed off as well. I noticed that there were weird pauses and static movements in his speech. Number 3, the next red flag that got me to stop was the fact that after deploying the contract and starting the bot, when I opened up another browser, the contract wasn't available anymore. I wasn't able to start the bot or even withdraw. I wanted to figure this out before I had to put any more funds or money into the contract. And if I didn't figure this out, that meant if our computer was to ever shut down, we wouldn't have access to our funds or the ability to withdraw our money. The next red flag was the icing on the cake. When you actually look at the history of the transaction hash, you will see that the funds were transferred from the contract address to a phishing address. Now, when I followed this address back to its origin, I decided to add up the amount of money stolen, and at the time of doing this video, 5.28 Ethereum had been deposited, which is approximately $12,500 in US dollars worth of Ethereum. Other red flags include the comments section. They appear to be fake accounts representing fake testimonials. In other words, they look like bots. If you follow these users, all of them are inactive YouTube channels. There's not one in the comments section that has a real account that can attest to this bot. And number 2, when I personally made a comment underneath the video saying it was a scam, the comment was removed 3 times. They manipulate the YouTube comments to keep this scam going, so be careful of it. Another red flag was when I went to the website remix.re, it showed a big warning sign saying deceptive site ahead. This also was a red flag and made us pause a bit. And finally, the creator himself provides his Telegram channel for support, but does not actually provide any support. After providing him with my contract address, he stopped communicating. I asked a lot of questions and he did not respond. In conclusion, Programmer Dave is non-existent, and so is this bot. Another thing I noticed is the actual person or the picture of Dave can be found on Canva. Yes, guys, this exact person I saw on Canva as a template. Needless to say, the only one making money with this bot is the scammer. The question is, how are they getting away with it? Well, after doing more research, I've come to understand that this contract address you see here is split into 5 different parts and hidden within the bot code so that you don't see it. They show the wrapped Ether address to make you think that it's legitimate, but they disguise their address so that you don't see it and know that they are stealing from you. That's crazy, huh? Now, I had to post this video to show you my results and to inform you that this isn't a real arbitrage trading bot, but a phishing scam created to redirect your crypto straight to the scammer's pocket. Now, if this video has popped up, and I'm sure there were others, there's going to be a lot more coming. So stay vigilant, guys. With the creation of ChatGPT and other AI softwares, it's getting really difficult to differentiate what's real and what's not. Now, I hope this video helps save you some money and also educates you on the scam. If you want a real way of making money online using AI trading bots and trading partnerships, then join our exclusive investor and trading community today, where we are starting to see some really good results and stable returns. The link will be in the description below. If you found this content useful, then subscribe to my channel and smash the like button so this video gets picked up by YouTube's algorithm and helps to warn others. If you want to find out about how we are making money online again using legitimate money-making opportunities, then watch this video here as I share with you how to leverage real trading partnerships to make passive income online. Thank you guys for watching this video. Really do appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next video.